I'm very excited about receiving the prize. I know a long list of very distinguished people who received it before me, and of course I think it's a great tribute to the people of Palestine and all the people I work with in my organization, UNRWA. I worked in 2 organizations in the UN, both of them refugee organizations, UNHCR for all other refugees and then UNRWA for Palestine refugees. And I'm always been very, very proud to work for the humanitarian organizations, and in UNRWA we also have a development side with education and health. So I think that our work is very important. I think especially in UNRWA where we employ Palestine refugees, that we're doing the right thing with the right people, and I think the people themselves appreciate this. They feel part of it, and that's the best kind of humanitarian and development work you can do, especially when there's so many emergencies as there are in the occupied territory and also in Lebanon. Well, they're facing the future with some difficulty, but with great strength, I would say. That their situation gets worse all the time. Living under occupation, having periodic conflicts, physical conflicts, open war, and just losing their land and their houses and their freedom and their rights, and not being able to see the time when they're going to have a viable state. All of these things are eluding them, and so it's at the moment we hope there's going to be some change perhaps in how they negotiate and what they negotiate, and very much our position in UNRWA is that the refugees have to be part of these negotiations. This is what's been missing too. Wonderful work. And I will say so in my speech this evening, because these people come out and actually do something. They've created parks, they've created markets, they come and give advice, they work with the local people. And this kind of assistance is something that means a lot to people in Gaza, because otherwise they feel very isolated. They're trapped inside this small little territory. They can't get in and out. And so when people come from outside, it helps them to know that there are people who care about them, and people who come not just to talk and to see, but to actually do something. Because lots and lots of visitors, but it's just like, all right, we'll tell the same story over and over. But these people from Barcelona City Council, they really come and act.